Jamar Williams is a graffiti specialist and technician who's been working to beautify this neighborhood for years. He carries a power washer, chemical sprays, and different types of paint in his truck, tackling everything from signs to walls to sidewalks, putting that first layer of the chemical solution before power washing the spray paint off.
I like the fact that I get a chance to try to help the city look better. So I kind of take pride in that, knowing that, I'm only one person. We all a unit, we do it as a team, but, I take pride in knowing that, I try my best to keep the city clean.
So you can help take part in this as well. What I've got right here is a citizens kit. And in fact, the technicians that I was talking to, they were saying that they carry these with them inside of their truck. So if you see a crew around, you can ask them for one of these. Inside, it's got everything you need, including the chemicals that we mentioned, gloves, protective eyewear, a towel, you name it. And you can also request those at 311. For now, here in Northwest, Joy Wang.